Hey guys, so get ready with me because we're going out for Iftar. I've already done my skincare. My skin literally looks like it's so oily, but it's just skin prep because I want my base to look really good because I don't even have that much time to get ready. So I'm just going in with like a brown colour in my crease, and then I'm literally going to do the simplest eye makeup, like a wing. I'm so thirsty, oh my god, and I'm really excited to eat. And I can't turn my light on here because Ali needs to use the charging thing.
No, you can do it.
No, it's fine.
You can do it, I'm done.
Yeah, but can you unplug it? Here. I've lost my bond this way concealer once again. Don't ask me why, I don't know how, I just keep losing it. This does not need to be this is like, this is the messiest makeup. Actually going out with my friend Miriam and her husband, and me and my husband, so that's exciting. It's kind of like a double date situation. Quickly do like a wing now. Is it raining outside? Okay, I always do brown liner. I just think it looks so much better.
I'll be careful when you video on what you do by. I'll trim your hair right now.
Ali! My lashes with this Tiny Lashes colour, which is the only lash colour that I really actually like to use. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Extensionist mascara, adding half lashes, so add some primer. So I'm going to add this Huda Beauty blurring one, which I've been loving lately. I feel like it really does blur. I mainly apply this in the T-zone, you can literally see it working. I mainly apply it in the T-zone and then the rest over the face. Now my skin prep is set, so like that's a really good thing. I'm going with this Glam primer because this is going to make makeup last all day because it's one of those sticky primers. I'm so excited for Eid this year because my favourite part is going Eid shopping and stuff, and I just love Ramadan. I feel like this comes when you need it, right? Apply the colour corrector now. Everywhere I need to colour correct. I need to be quick because we don't have that much time. I don't know where this sponge is from, you know. I just found it in my drawer because I don't know where my other one has gone. I'll need to pick up some new ones. I feel like guys just take so quick to get ready, and when you're a girl it's just like la-di-da-di-da, like you're taking so long. Oh, I do anyway, I take a long time. Apply some of this skin tint from Maybelline, which I've also been loving. If you guys haven't seen in my previous makeup tutorials, got in with my NARS foundation. I'm trying to avoid dropping it everywhere because normally I do end up dropping it everywhere, and I'm just going to blend this all out. I hope this lays good because I tried a new skin prep method, which guys I'm definitely going to do like a full in-depth makeup tutorial soon. But I'm really excited. I think this weekend me and the girls are actually going out and we're going to go shopping and stuff like that, and then we're going to go for Iftar as well, so that is exciting. We have time to go to the office to go pick up my outfit, so I'm just going to keep wearing this abaya. But I love this abaya. I think it's just the prettiest abaya, and I'll link it down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase it. So it really is marinated into my skin. Get rid of these mascara marks, and I think that actually does help. Well, it just gets in there, like if you can see what I mean. These half lashes I bought them from TikTok shop, and I think they're just so pretty and natural, so that is definitely the vibe we're going for today. I'm just gonna let that set. I know you can't really tell, but they're just really subtle, and I like them because it doesn't look like too much. This brush, because I can't find my contour brush, but sometimes I do. Previously I used to use this brush all the time for my bronzer and stuff, but anyway, I want to order in a hurry. But if you guys haven't seen, after this video is posted we will probably have the vlog up, or if I don't, when it will be up, it will probably be in the next day in the evening. But every day I've been vlogging, even if I don't post every single day or miss a day, which I'm trying to avoid doing. I'm trying to avoid missing the days, but I do still vlog all the days. Contour the nose because I need to make this nose. My nose is itching. To blend this all out, added a pink blush, concealer, and apply wherever I normally apply. This concealer is actually NARS, the creamy concealer in custard. And out the concealer roughly. And the other side. Oh my god, my nose is feeling so tickly today. And I blended the rest out with the same thing. And then I'm just gonna take this sponge and then just take this powder, it's foundation powder, and then I always like tap it in the back of my hand and then set my under eyes like so. This actually has been proven to give me the most flawless face when I use a foundation powder, so just kind of apply that everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna bake. When my under eyes are setting, I do my lips, so I'm just gonna go in with the brown liner and liner lips. I'm kind of running a bit late, so I need to hurry up. Okay, this is actually an eyeliner that I use sometimes, and then I'm gonna take a lighter brown lip liner and blend this out. I'm just gonna take this lipstick from Maybelline in 05. This is my go-to, you guys know this. I'm gonna take this pink honey lipstick, it's like really light nude. When people are like, what's your lip combo? I'm like wearing 50,000 lipstick shades. Okay, that is the lip combo. I'm gonna set this with a powder so it's super matte. I'm probably gonna have to end up leaving this whole room a mess. I hate when that happens, when you're ready, getting ready in a rush and then you leave the whole thing in a mess. It's literally me right now. I'm gonna go in this Primark one, which is like a dupe of it, I'd say, and it's really good, like you guys will see now. The pigment on this blush is so insane for £1.50 blush. Thank me later. I'm just gonna bronze my face. And so you guys are watching me get ready in fast speed right now. And for some nose highlighter, I'm gonna put some blue eyeliner in my eyeliner. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna take my favorite little tiny brush and then just blend this out. Literally that much, not more than that. I feel like that really brings the whole makeup look together. I don't know what the hell is happening with my hair today. I'm gonna take, wait, first let's do fixing mist. Let's take this fixing mist from Pixie. It's such a tiny little bottle because it's like a travel size, but I love using this fixing mist, like it's so good. I will just add this L'Oreal Infallible. Wow, that really stings my eyes every time I use it. For jewellery, I'm gonna do my Swarovski earrings that my sister bought. I don't know what shoes to wear because I just wear my Uggs all the time. But they're just the cutest little earrings ever. This is my finished makeup look to go out for Iftar. So I will see you guys in the next video. And please make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Hopefully we have more videos coming soon. And please excuse the absolute mess of the state of my hair. Okay, bye guys.